Kegel exercises and classical yoga both focus on physical well-being, but they have different goals, techniques, and application. Kegel exercises are specifically designed to strengthen the pelvic floor muscles, while classical yoga is a holistic practice that integrates postures, asanas, breath control, pranayama, and meditation to promote overall health and inner balance. Kegel exercises target the pelvic floor muscles, which support the bladder, uterus in women, prostate in men. These exercises were developed by Dr. Arnold Kegel in the 1940s to help with urinary incontinence and pelvic health. Key benefits of Kegel exercises: strengthens pelvic floor muscle, helps with urinary incontinence and bladder control, improves sexual health and performance, supports prostate health. Kegels involve contracting and relaxing the pelvic floor muscles, similar to stopping the flow of urine midstream. They can be done anytime, anywhere without external movement. Classical yoga is a traditional, holistic practice rooted in ancient Indian philosophy. It consists of 8 limbs, Ashtanga yoga, as described in Patanjali's Yoga Sutras, asanas, postures, physical exercises for strength and flexibility. Pranayama, breath control, enhances energy flow and relaxation. Dhyana, meditation, improves focus and mindfulness. Yamas and niyamas, ethical disciplines, moral and self-discipline for a balanced life. Key benefits of classical yoga: improves flexibility, strength and posture, enhances mental clarity and stress relief, strengthens internal organs and overall body function, promotes spiritual growth and self-awareness, supports breathing efficiency and relaxation. Unlike Kegel exercises, classical yoga engages the entire body and mind, providing physical, mental, and spiritual benefit.